In a balanced three-phase circuits, there are quantities that we call a three-phase quantities, okay, that you have to know when dealing with a three-phase circuit. Okay, the first one is what we call is a phase current with symbol I phase. Okay, the second one is a phase voltage with symbol V phase. Okay, and the third one is line current, okay, IL, and line voltage for the last one, PL. So what is phase voltage and what is phase current? Phase voltage in a definition is measured between the neutral and any line voltage, while the phase current is the current in each phase of the source or load. Okay, so in a balanced three-phase circuit, actually we have three source of voltage. Okay, let me draw this figure. Okay, so we have line A, line B, and line C with a neutral line here. Okay, so this is what we call VAN, VBN, and VCN. Okay, so the phase voltage measured between the neutral and any line voltage. So this is a neutral line. So VAN we measure from line A to neutral, VAN. Okay, VBN we measure from line B to line neutral, while VCN is also we measure from line C to neutral line. So, and phase current is the current in each phase of the source or load. Okay, so let's say we call it as this is the circuit. Okay, this is a load. Okay, the load consists of resistor, inductor, capacitor. Okay, this is line A, line B, and line C. So the phase current is the current in each phase of the source or load. So current flow or in between each phase of the source or load. Okay, one thing that you have to know for a phase voltage is all phase voltage have the same magnitude. As we discussed this earlier, in a phase sequence, all phase voltage have the same magnitudes. Okay, if VAN equals to 100 volt, so VBN also 100 volt, and VCN is also 100 volt. But all these voltage are out of phase with each other by 120 degree. For a phase currents, all phase current also have the same magnitude. Okay, if you have current, we call it as IAB, IBC, and ICA. All these phase currents have the same magnitude, but also out of phase with each other by 120 degree. So how we calculate the phase current? So phase current is actually phase voltage. Okay, phase voltage divided by the load. Okay, the next parameter is line voltage and line currents. So line voltage is measured between any of the three lines. So the previous is I discussed about the phase voltage. So the line voltage, okay, we have if we have source here. Okay, and then we have connected to load. Okay. Okay, so line voltage is measured between any two of the three lines. Okay, this is line A, this is line B, and this is line C. So line voltage we measured from line A to line B. We call it as VAB. Okay, so then line B measured to line C, we call it as VBC. Okay, and then line C measured to line A, we call it as VCA. Okay. And line current is the current in each line of the source or load. So line current we measure throughout the line from source to load. This is what we call line current. So line current flow through the wire A. Okay, IA. This is IB, and this is IC. This is what we call line current. Same as a phase voltage and phase current, line voltage also have the same magnitude, which is VAB is equal to VBC equals to VCA and out of phase with each other by 120 degrees. Okay, so for line current also have the same magnitude but out of phase with each other by 120 degree. So what you have to understand that all the phase voltage, phase current, line voltage and line current, all this voltage and this current have the same magnitude but out of phase with each other by 120 degree.